Hi, I'm Melissa de la Cruz. So, this is my reflection about the different network media used for computer networking. First, the twisted pair cable. We can create a cabling, we can use it to the telephone for communications. The pair of wires form a circuit to transmit data, and it can provide a protection against crosstalk, the noise generated by adjacent pairs. When two wires is an electrical circuit are placed close together, their magnetic fields are exactly opposite, but they can cancel out. Because of that happen, the cable designers can effectively provide a UTP and STP cable. The UTP cable, or the unshielded twisted pair cable, is to use in variety network because they can use the local area network when doing a cabling. In the RJ45 have 8 wire connector to connect the computers, so that it is the common cabling when we buy is more inexpensive and also easy to do a installation. While the STP cable, or the shielded twisted pair cable, combines the technique of shielding, cancellation, and wire twisting, and each pair of wires is wrapped in a foil metallic. Also, the STP cable uses the RJ45 connectors that UTP uses, but the 4 pairs of wires are wrapped in an overall metallic foil. Second is the coaxial cable. Consists of a hollow outer cylindrical conductor that surrounds a single inner wire made of 2 conducting elements. The first element is the copper conductor that located on the center of the cables, and also is a layer of flexible insulation. The woven copper braid or metallic foil is the second element that help reduce the amount of outside interference. Coaxial cable is relatively inexpensive, although it is more costly than UTP on a per unit length, and also can be coupled over longer distance than twisted pair cable. But a coaxial cable is less expensive than the fiber optic cable. Third is the fiber optic cable. It's a networking module capable of conducting modulated light transmission. It has 2 types of single-mode fiber cable, allows only mode or wavelength of light to propagate through the fiber. It is more expensive than the multi-mode cable. Its maximum cable length is more than 10 kilometers, while the multi-mode fiber cable allows multiple modes of light to propagate through the fiber, used for work group application and intra-building applications, and also it can use a light emitting diodes or LEDs as a light generating device. And the maximum cable length is 2 kilometers, so that it is difficult to terminate. And the last one, but not the least, is the wireless communication. Are electromagnetic waves that can travel through the vacuum of outer space and through a medium such as air. And also it can use radio frequencies, or RF, or infrared IR waves to transmit data between devices on a LAN. For wireless LANs is a key component in the wireless hub, or access point used for signal distribution. Wireless is susceptible to EMI, has a higher data rate than the twisted pair cable and the coaxial cable.